What is the term for the release of an egg from the ovary? Answer B. Ovulation. What is the primary male sex hormone? Answer C. Testosterone. What is the main female reproductive organ that produces eggs? Answer A. Ovary. Which hormone regulates the menstrual cycle in pregnancy? Answer B. Progesterone. Which structure stores and matures sperm cells? Answer A. Epididymis. Where does fertilization of an egg by a sperm usually occur? Answer C. Fallopian tube.